Hi, I'm Jenny Lanigan from Mason Technology, and in this video we're going to talk about Köhler Illumination. Köhler Illumination is the optical alignment of your microscope. So I'm going to first show you some important components that you'll need to know. You've got your field diaphragm, you've got your condenser, your centering screws for your condenser, and your coarse and your fine focus. The other control that you're going to use is your focusing knob, which is at the back of the microscope. So the first step is to bring your condenser up to the working distance so that it's at its highest position. Looking down the microscope, focus using your 10 times objective. The next step is to close down your field diaphragm so that you see a spot of light in your field of view. Bring the substage down so that you see sharp octagonal edges in your field of view. Centre your spot of light in the centre of your field of view. Once this is centred, open back out your field diaphragm so that the spot of light just goes outside your field of view. Make sure that your aperture stop is set to 70% of your numerical aperture on your objective. So that's Köhler Illumination, and you can see more about numerical aperture in our objectives video on our website.